Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up, Sagittarius, for your general energies and love energies, guys. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your general energies. This is for your general energies. This is for your career. And this is for your relationship, guys. And I'll be picking one card for your angel guidance message. So we'll turn the cards as we proceed into the reading, guys. So for your general energies, Sagittarius, Nine of Pentacles in reverse. Sagittarius, with this card, the energy is that in certain areas, some things that are not going up to expectation, guys, and maybe in your work, your projects, or your business collaborations, you may be facing some suspensions or delays. Something may go something may not go up to your expectations, guys, and maybe some people, they are not keeping up their word. You may lose faith in them. That is also the energy here, or the way they do things. You may lose that confidence you have on them, on their abilities, so you feel really stressed today regarding that. So some things are not going right. This may relate to your work situation or your personal life, guys. So let us see what is the card for your career. The Hermit. So with this card, again, guys, Sagittarius, we are seeing some deep thinking. You are deeply thinking about the things that you need to do, contemplating your next move, and you are taking time, maybe because of this, because you have lost faith in something or some people. You want that deep clarity about your situation. You want guidance in something, so that is the reason that you are contemplating what is your next plan of action, guys. And you are a person with that deep thought. So in whatever you do, whatever actions you do, whatever in your work, whatever choice you make, so it is based on that, after that deep thought and that firm conviction on your decisions. So you are a person who does anything based on your determination. So only when you know that it is the right path, and when you have that deep clarity about your choice, only then you take that step towards that action. So you are waiting to get clarity on certain things today, guys, based on your past experiences or whatever it is. And maybe people may come to you for suggestions or for their work, or some concerns of theirs. They may ask your help on something. So that is also the energy here, guys, with this card. So let us see what is the card for your relationship, Sagittarius. The Sun. With this card here, guys, I see that you will reach clarity today. With the previous cards, I said you are confused about something, you have lost faith in something, and you are seeing some stressful situations, and you're contemplating your next plan of action. So maybe that time has come for you to get that clarity, and today you will get that understanding, guys, whatever you need. So you are having that confidence. So with this card, this Sun is a very positive card here, guys. So whatever negatives that we are facing today, we will be able to overcome that with that inspiration we feel in our hearts, with that understanding, clarity and confidence we have in our actions, whatever we do. So when we have that confidence and clarity, we will know what is our plan of action, and we will move towards success. And maybe for some of your Sagittarius, you would have been sick for some minor some troubles with your health. Today you are overcoming that, guys. You are getting good health, you are healing from that sickness. So that is also the energy here, guys. So whatever obstacles or struggles or that loss of clarity you had or loss of faith you had regarding some situation, you are going to get it back, guys. That is what I see here. You are going to get that understanding, and you are going to make that positive move towards the goals whatever you have for yourself in life. So that is the energy with these cards, Sagittarius. Let us see what is the card for your angel guidance message. Be strong. Sagittarius, the angels guidance for you all today, guys, is that you need to be really strong, guys. Strong for yourself physically, emotionally and mentally. At the same time, you need to be strong for your family members, your friends or your person, so they can rely on you for your support and for your counsel, your suggestions, whatever it is. So at times of struggles, when you are struggling, or when this person or friends, whoever it is, who are struggling, you need to be strong for them. You need to have a complete compassion for them and for their situation, and be in that supportive role and not be a instructive one. You should understand their situation, the challenges, and when you do that, when you are there for them, they will also be there for you when you are going through some challenges or tough times in your life. So never forget that, guys. You can rely on those friends and family when you are in some struggles. You can take their suggestions, take their help when you are in need. So that is the angels guidance for you all, guys. So you need to find that balance in yourself and in any situation, in whatever struggles we are facing. We need to be really strong for ourselves and for the people who are there in that situation with us. So that is the angels guidance for you all, Sagittarius, and that is the reading, guys. I hope this reading resonated. If it did, please like and comment, and I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Sagittarius.